Now, WLOX First Alert Weather with meteorologist Erin Jeansonne.
All right, after some stormy skies earlier in Gulfport, now things are looking pretty nice on the Hancock-Whitney Bank Tower Cam in Gulfport. And check out the temperature, a nice 77 degrees. So that's what those storms can do. They can cool us off a little bit. Looking out over the Sound, looks pretty nice. The water very smooth too, right over the marina. Things are looking nice this evening. So here's what we can expect. Those temperatures, they might bump up a little bit just before sunset, back into the low 80s, but generally those rain chances are on the way down now that we're starting to lose that daytime heating. Looking at the radar, we had those big storms that fired up in Hancock County and southern Pearl River County, moved through Harrison, went through Jackson, and now they're dissipating as they move into parts of Alabama. How much rain do we get? Radar estimates, a lot of areas picked up a quick inch of rain just south of Waveland. Got about an inch according to radar estimates, around an inch and a half around Gulfport, almost 2 inches near Saucier, just north of D'Iberville, about an inch and a half, and almost an inch around Ocean Springs. Here at the station, we picked up 1.62 inches outside. So the Perseid meteor shower, that peaks tonight after midnight, and under ideal conditions where there's no city lights and no clouds and no light pollution, you can see about 60 to 70 meteors per hour. Not sure if we're going to see that here in South Mississippi. There will be a few clouds around, but you can look in any direction after midnight tonight. You might be able to see a few of those meteors. So here's what we can expect. Between midnight and 6 a.m., temperatures in the mid-70s. There will be a few passing clouds, so that might kind of inhibit some of that viewing, but things should stay dry. And don't forget to bring the bug spray. Those mosquitoes, they definitely like to chew on you while you're out there. Looking at Futurecast as we go throughout the next couple of hours, as we advance through this evening, things clearing out. Let's stop it by around midnight. So notice Futurecast showing a few thin clouds rolling through. Same thing by 2 a.m. By around 4 a.m., still maybe some thicker clouds rolling on through. So we'll have to keep an eye on the clouds this evening. That may be the thing that kind of keeps us from seeing that 60 to 70 meteor per hour rate tonight. Notice by tomorrow afternoon, we'll do it all over again. Temperatures back into the upper 80s to low 90s, and we'll have the opportunity for those hit and miss thunderstorms like today. Not everyone sees it, but if you get caught up under one of those storms like we did today, you get a quick inch of rain pretty fast. Look at the tropics. We're watching this little tropical wave. It's trying to move off towards the west, but it's going to struggle as it moves off towards the west. Also watching this area of low pressure in the North Atlantic has a very slim chance of development over the next 5 days, but even if it does, it's going to curve out to sea and will not be a threat to the U.S. Looking at the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean, we do see a lot of showers and thunderstorms, but notice most of them are on land, and they're all getting shredded apart by wind shear, which is certainly some good news. Looking at the next 7 days as we go into tomorrow afternoon, a few hit and miss thunderstorms here or there. Same thing as we go into Monday. And then as we go throughout the middle part of the week, things drying out a little bit, temperatures in the mid-90s.
You're going to stay up to see the meteor shower?
I don't know. I mean,
Get my
maybe.
blanket. Oh, it wouldn't be cold out there.
I don't know.
So.
Sometimes they can be really good, and then sometimes they can be kind of,
Fizzle out.
why'd I stay up for this?
Yeah, all right, Eric. Thank you very much. All right.